This is the back of my Makita battery charger. And in the fine print there, it says UL listed. What does that mean and why is that so gosh darn important? Well, I want to do a quick video talking about this. So UL stands for Underwriters Laboratory. Another thing I want to talk about is ETL, which is the Electrical Testing Laboratory. Now, these are two independent third-party companies here in the United States. Again, third party, and they test millions of products around us to ensure that they are safe and in compliance with US safety standards. Very important, especially electronic devices, batteries, fuel burning appliances, fireplaces. There's probably 1,000 products in your house that are UL and ETL tested and certified. Very important. But here in the United States, we have a problem. There are a ton of CE certified products flowing into this country, and I feel that they are not safe because they don't conform to US safety standards. CE is, I'm gonna totally mess up the pronunciation here, but Conformité Européenne, European safety standards. And the problem with the CE certification is it's a self-declaration of compliance from the manufacturer. That's a huge issue. That's like a corrupt police department investigating their own officer and determining that he didn't do anything wrong. Now, there are some companies overseas that hire third-party testing firms to ensure that their products are CE in compliance with CE certification, but usually it's a self-declaration from the manufacturer. There's no verification, and this stuff's just flown in this country. That's a huge problem. Not to mention, CE certification is not legally recognized or approved here in the United States. It boggles my mind. Why do we allow this? Follow the money trail. So let that be a lesson to everybody out there. If you care about your family and you care about your assets, care about safety, buy products that are UL or ETL listed and certified. Stay away from CE because it does not conform to the safety standards of the United States. That's all I have to say for this video. Thanks for watching. Be safe out there.